Warm drinks are a thing of the past, because today, we're setting up a countertop ice maker. Now we can have ice cold drinks all day long, and I couldn't be happier. And this ice maker from KISMILE comes shipped to your door, ready to cool your drinks as well. Inside the box, you have some heavy-duty packaging to make sure your ice maker arrives safely. It comes with instructions, and then your ice maker. Unwrap it, and open up the top flap. Inside, you'll find your water tank, as well as an ice collector. On the back, you can remove the lid and find an ice scooper. Then if you turn it around, you can find a long power cable, as well as a cooling fan. To get started, put back in the ice collector and plug in the ice maker. Then the display screen turns on. Take off the lid, then you can pour in the water. You can either do small batches and use the tank directly. This will make about 2 water bottles worth of ice cubes. Or you can attach the bigger water tank and make more ice cubes. You can even pour water in the ice collector, and it will recycle the water until you have fresh ice. Now you can turn it on and choose your ice thickness. Then it begins creating your ice cubes. The water continually flows across the grate in the front until it creates a sheet of ice cubes. On the lowest thickness, you can create 16 ice cubes in 8 minutes. Once the timer hits 0, it sends out a puff of air and the block flash freezes. Then it pushes it out into the tray and breaks on impact. Then it starts pouring more water and creating more ice. This will continue until you run out of water. Then it will tell you on screen to add water. Then as the ice melts, it'll recycle and start up again automatically. Another cool feature, you can turn it on, schedule it for later, and have fresh ice when you wake up or get home from work. But it works so quickly that I just turn it on when I need it. I don't mind waiting 8 minutes for an ice cold drink. I've been filling up my thermos with ice and then pouring a bottle of water. It chills in seconds, and I have ice cold water all through the day. It's so refreshing, and I won't drink water any other way now. I didn't expect this, but I'm drinking more water now and feeling healthier. All thanks to this ice maker. So if you're wanting some ice cold drinks as well, maybe you need a countertop ice maker. And this one from KISMILE might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go make some more ice. See ya.